Sylvie Pon,
From where?
chargée d'affaires of Cameroon.
Cameroon.
I just arrived, so I came to establish the embassy. So I'm very happy, I'm honored to be here. I thank also Mrs. Dr. Ashma for inviting me, and the dignitaries also for all the well organization. Yeah, the honorable speaker, thank you so much for inviting us to share this wonderful program.
It's our pleasure.
You know, Cameroon and India are sharing so many things. We have similarities. Then I'm here to listen the excellent cooperation between my country and India. Then you know it should be more and more. So we have to go hand by hand because together we will go fast. We will go forward. So thank you so much for inviting us, and thank you also for accepting us. Thank you. We have to share so many things even in education. I already speak to the culture, you know, these wonderful events. When I saw the show is like in Africa also. It's like in my country. That's the same. We are sharing all. So let's go together. Thank you so much.